Hello, what's up? Today I'll be making some slime. So, yeah, I'm sick, so I might sound a little weird in the video, but I'm gonna do this video anyway. So I'm gonna be happy, make some beautiful slime. I'm gonna make some green slime because green, for some reason, is just beautiful. Like it brings joy to my eyes, brightens up my day. So we're gonna make some green slime. So let's go. Jump straight into this video. Let's go. Okay, so let's get started. So first I am going to pour some glue in. I forgot what I was going to do, but I'm going to pour some glue in. Let's do it until about there. That seems like a good amount. The feeling of glue, just like, obviously I don't want to touch glue, but just like, it's kind of heavy, but then it gets so loose. Like it's heavy, it's loose. I don't know, I have a weird obsessions and thoughts, but it's fine. So, and yes, the camera is shaking because I can't be still. So it's gonna shake and you're gonna have to deal with it. If you can't deal with it, then go to another one of my videos, but please don't leave my channel. Yes, I'm sorry. I know. Here, I'll do it off the table. And it's like a really pretty mint green right here. But I want it darker green, so I'm going to do like 2 more drops. Okay, that should do it. So I really like green. It's like my second or third favorite color. I haven't decided because favorite color is yellow. My second favorite color is blue. But it might be green. Like, that's the thing. Hey, this is not turning out the color I want. Oh, I added 3 on accident. 3 drops. Yeah, nothing is happening. Okay, there we go. That's the color I want. And I'll get, actually it's a little too dark, but I mean, when I activate it, it should get lighter. Hold on, there is something in my, here, okay, got it. Now I'm gonna activate it and come back. So let's go. Because my setups are terrible. That's very annoying. Hold on. Not the sound of the slime, because this is awesome. It's super clicky. I already know some people are grossed out by poking with one finger, but really, it's fine. Like, it really doesn't matter. Oh. Okay, was not expecting that to happen. So I need both hands, so I'm gonna set you up at a really bad angle for a minute, and then it should all activated and good. I feel like this is so pretty, so pretty. Okay, I kind of want to add blue. Okay, more food coloring should do it. Make it the color that I want. Okay. This is a really good slime. I don't think I've ever made a slime as good as this. This is definitely the color of the slime I want. Just like 1 more drop it. So, and I'm so sorry, but again, I am sick. So, but this is like pretty good. And if you didn't know how to make slime, the basic way is pretty much Elmer's glue. It can be like, you know, drop glue from Dollar Store. It can be Color Splash. I cannot speak. It can be crazy art glue, like any PVA glue, even any type of glue. I use contact solution baking soda for the activator in this, but other activators are borax and water, or Tide, like the Tide detergent, the liquid detergent. So, and you can add anything else. Like I added color. You can do clear glue even. Like you can add lotion, you can add shaving cream, you can add water to make it jiggly. You can add foam beads, glitter. There's this thing called instant snow. It's like powder at first. You put it into a bowl or whatever, and then you put water on it, and it like feels like real snow. And you put in this, and it's like, if it's white and you like stretch it out like this, it should look like a spider web. Do it like that, it should look like a spider web. It could be a colorful spider web, but it should kind of look like a spider web. I've made one, but unfortunately, I had to throw it away because my friend left it out one time without me knowing, my friend. So that was bad, so I had to throw it away. So, and then I just don't want it anymore because it's in style. It's kind of expensive, but it is really cool inside. So I just never got it again. Not because I didn't want it to happen again, just because it's really expensive. It's pretty expensive. Well, I don't know if all places. For my Walmart, it was pretty expensive there because I got it from Walmart, obviously. I don't have a Target in I have a small town. I live in a small town. But it's like 15. I don't know, man. I have this really, like, irritating song in my head. It's a school song. I'm in 4th grade, so we obviously listen to songs about, but it's like that figurative language. Like, it's like, sometimes what you mean, it's not exactly what you say. That's figurative language, using words in different ways. Alliteration, personification, alliteration, assonance and hyperbole, onomatopoeia, metaphor, and simile, like that. And obviously I don't sing good, so, well, I think I do sound pretty good, but I'm sick, so I just kind of mess it up again, because you go, onomatopoeia, metaphor, and simile. So I just kind of went, metaphor, and simile. Okay. So, I forgot it was totally October. I just made a Halloween slime. What should I add in here to make it more Halloween? I don't have anything. If I had black glitter. Do I have black anything? No. I don't have black anything to add it. Do I? I don't. I have felt, but that would be weird. Black felt and paint, but I have a smart idea. Okay, I'm gonna get. Actually, I don't want to do that, but really some Halloween DIY slimes. This is just pink base, so you can make like a green slime. And if you don't have any like foam balls or anything black that you can put in slime, never mind, that wouldn't work. I was gonna say like black instant snow, but that would just be so weird. But you can like get a black crayon and crunch it up and put it in this, but I don't want to do that because that was really weird. But instead of me just rambling on, I think I should end it here. But I feel like one slime, it's not enough. What should I do? Let me think. What's this, I wonder? Oh my gosh. A second slime. Okay. Yeah, it's not magic. I hate to crush your dreams, but I just stopped the video. And you know, because that was like the worst transition ever. So just ignore that. Just ignore it. So I think I want to do a slime smoothie. So let's do Ipsy Daisy. No, this way is better. Oh my gosh. Be careful. I'm gonna fall again, I know it is. This slime's bigger, but whatever. Oh, this is gonna look so cool. Okay, here it is. That's super cool. I'm gonna get it all mixed up and get back to you when it's all done. Okay, so it's all mixed up. Ready? But here's the swirl. And there's a crack. Thank you so much for watching this video. So I know 350 subscribers isn't a lot, but for just a regular girl, you know, just a regular country girl that never thought that she would have 300 subscribers on a YouTube channel, and, you know, recording myself and going to post it to where the whole entire world could possibly watch it. So, yeah. There's a little bubble. But, so, yeah. My shadow right there, my only friend. But, you know, it's all good. Thank you for watching. Hit the bell there, wherever it is. Hit the bell, it's either there or there. So, one of those places. Hit the bell, or, I'm kidding, one of these places. Down here, or down here. I really don't know. But, and then hit the subscribe button down there. And my social medias are in the description below. So, yeah. Last minute ASMR. Does anybody know what ASMR stands for? Comment if you know what it is. And comment what you want to see next, because I've been not posting. So just like, what should I do? So, thank you for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye!